Hi, this is my second day at the Pikler House in Budapest, Hungary, where I'm studying the Pikler Approach, the Pikler methodology for supervising teachers and caregivers. The first day, I'll have to say what we really learned was the history of this methodology and that it developed over time based on their observation and their understanding of best practice. So this is my second day at the Pikler Institute in our course on supporting caregivers. And as I was saying, this house is set on top of a beautiful hillside. This has always been considered a very aristocratic area under the fascist and then also under the communist. So we learned a lot yesterday, and I'm looking forward to the information for today. This is the classroom. It's empty right now. It only fits about 12 to 13 people, but we really are crowded in here. It's educators from around the world who are enthusiasts for the Pikler Approach. We all traveled from our various countries, New Zealand, Australia, the United States, the UK, to study the Pikler Approach and the Pikler philosophy. Right now, we're on break for lunch. We had 2 sessions this morning. One, we talked more about the relationships in the classroom between the caregivers, and then we also talked about the parent groups, how the parent groups are set up. And it's just amazing how everything in the Pikler house, everything that's done, was so meticulously thought out, talked through, and worked on. And that's what brought about this incredible Today is the end of day 2 at the Pikler House. The summary of today is supporting the caregiver, the trainee, is very important, slow work. The process is a developmental process. It's a process of growing your observation abilities, your sensitivity, and your faith in the child. So this is the end of the day, day 2 at the Pikler House, where today we focused on supporting the caregiver, the new caregiver, the training process that they offer to new caregivers, which is very rigorous and very well designed and totally thought out, every single detail of it. So it's really wonderful to learn all of these important practices to take back to New York.